Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today is our fourth and final video in the I-12 2020 series. We start out at the junction of I-12 and US Highway 190, right between Covington and Mandeville. We're entering a construction zone, part of a project to widen I-12 to 3 lanes in each direction. This project will eventually widen all 86 miles of I-12 from Baton Rouge to Slidell. Exit 65 connects to Louisiana Highway 59, which leads to the town of Abita Springs to the north. In the town, the Abita Brewing Company was established in 1986 as a microbrewery, and in 1994 they added a brew pub and restaurant. Abita beer is brewed with the pure water of the artesian wells in Abita Springs. Abita Springs was originally a Choctaw Indian village, taking its name from nearby medicinal springs. The Choctaw burial and execution grounds, which were in use up until around 1880, are located nearby. Abita Springs had an estimated population of 2,614 as of 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. The sign for exit 74 lists St. Tammany and Lacombe as control cities along Louisiana Highway 434. Lacombe is a census-designated place to the south that stretches between Lake Pontchartrain and I-12 with a population of 8,679 at the 2010 census. St. Tammany, however, doesn't appear on any map that I can find as a town, city, or community, and is presumably just the name of the parish. The exit is pretty close to the geographic center of St. Tammany Parish. Exit 80 accesses the Slidell Public Use Airport to the north and the abandoned North Shore Square Mall to the south. This is the western edge of the city of Slidell, which had an estimated population of 27,633 as of 2019. Slidell is an important crossroads city where I-10, I-12, and I-59 intersect, as well as a junction of U.S. Highways 190 and 11. In the first video in this series, I mentioned erroneously that there would be only 3 U.S. highway crossings on I-12. However, I forgot one. The fourth crossing is at exit 83 where U.S. Highway 11 intersects I-12. To the south, U.S. 11 is the main drag through Slidell, and then across Lake Pontchartrain to the eastern outskirts of New Orleans. To the north, U.S. 11 goes through the town of Pearl River and then north into Mississippi, eventually terminating at Rouse's Point, New York at the Canadian border. Exit 85A leads to I-10 West, with 85B connecting to I-59 North, and the final choice, 85C, which empties out onto I-10 East. This is the eastern end of I-12, and we'll conclude our video here. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a like, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.